how much small and big YouTubers make. If you have not noticed yet, my YouTube channel is not only about the stock market, but also about, it is about personal finance in general. So in order to get paid by YouTube, you have to meet certain requirements. The first one is to have at least 1,000 subscribers. The second one is to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 1 year. And you have to be in a certain countries, but yeah, most countries are eligible to get paid by YouTube. Alright, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So here's a small YouTube channel. It's called the Dividend Investor, and it has about 1,199 subscribers, and it earned around $27. Alright. So let's have a closer look at his YouTube channel real quick. So let it load. I think it has, oh yeah, here it is. It has like 81 videos on this YouTube channel. And the last, I will check when was the last or the oldest video. So the first video he uploaded was, let me see, 1 year ago. So you can see it takes time to meet this requirement to be able to get monetized on YouTube. So it's not like you get paid right away. It takes time. Smash the like button. Alright, the next small YouTube channel, and then we will gradually go from small to mid-sized YouTube channel up to big YouTubers and how much they get paid. But just a quick teaser, like one of the big YouTubers, he did it like 3 years. Well, yeah, he did YouTube for 3 years, and now he earns like 300,000 US dollars per month. So it is worth the money to put effort into it, but yeah, it takes time to keep the ball rolling. And there are also some other YouTubers who just quit after 1 year because it is really difficult to achieve this kind of level, and not to mention there are some YouTuber burnout. So just to clarify that it is a difficult process to, it is difficult to become a successful YouTuber. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. Alright, next YouTube channel, this one. So this is a small YouTuber, well, it was small, now it's also mid-size, but his YouTube channel is also about stock market. Yeah, I think it's solely about stock market. And oh yeah, I also would like to mention the way YouTubers get paid is counted. Well, they get paid by views, and it is also called cost per mil. And this YouTuber gets like $12 cost per mil. So this varies depending on the niche, depending on the topics, the videos he was doing or he does. So in certain niches you get paid more, in certain niches you get paid less. And I've seen some YouTubers in personal finance niche, they get paid like up to $40 US per 1,000 view. So that's quite high actually. Alright, let me see. I think he's get paid. Let me see. I think it was, yeah. He got paid on April, the 4th of April to 1st of May 2020. He got paid, well, that was his first paycheck, and he got paid like $200 US. And yeah, I mean, that was like half year ago. So right now his YouTube channel has 45,000 subscribers. So you can see it. I mean, if you do it right, then your YouTube channel can grow quite fast. But if you don't know what you're doing, then it can be very frustrating. But yeah, as in any skills or jobs, it takes time to get better at it. All right, the next one, the next YouTube channel. Yeah, let me scroll through it. I don't want to watch his video, I just want to share his earnings real quick. Oh yeah, here it is. Nah, it can be sometimes annoying with all these ads, but we will get there soon. Oh yeah, this is not his first paycheck. Let me check here. Yeah, I think this is one of his earliest paycheck. So last month he got paid like roughly $400, and yeah, he has about 7,000 subscribers. Let's have a closer look at his YouTube channel. So yeah, let's wait until it loads so that we can see. Oh yeah, he has like 92 videos on his YouTube channel. And let me check when was his first video he uploaded. All this is here. The first, oh yeah, it was also 1 year ago. So as you can see, it takes a lot of time, a lot of sacrifice to get there. Alright, next YouTuber. So this YouTube channel is also about personal finance, well, about the stock market, or stock investing specifically. And yeah, at the time, yeah, this video is on September, so at the time she had like 9,000 subscribers. Let me see, where is her earnings? Oh yeah, here it is. So her first paycheck was roughly around $550, which is quite something, because I've heard some YouTubers got paid on their first ever paycheck. They got paid like under $100. So they have to wait for the next paycheck until it meets certain threshold so that they can get paid. But yeah, $550 for the first paycheck is fairly good. Let me check real quick. Let's have a closer look at this YouTube channel. Let it load. I think this YouTube channel has, yeah, it has also 79 videos, also, well, decent, quite a lot. Because this YouTube channel, the first video was like a few months ago. Yeah, 4 months ago. So this YouTube channel is doing way faster than any other previous one. So the first video was only 4 months ago, and it got monetized like 1 month ago. So it got monetized fairly fast. So this is quite successful YouTuber. All right. So there will be a part 2 where you will see the mid-size YouTuber, and then the other, I will see, but the next part will be at least about mid-size, also maybe about big YouTubers. Alright, subscribe and see you next time.